Now to an update on that dangerous crane collapse in Midtown Manhattan yesterday. It hurt 12 people. We now know the crane company had at least 2 prior collapses which were deadly.
Get out? I don't know. Is it going to keep falling off? Let's go!
The crane was moving 16 tons of concrete when it dislodged, slamming into a high-rise and then falling more than 45 stories right around 7:30 in the morning on Wednesday, rush hour beginning to kick off at the very same time. 2 roommates described the sound as the crane smashed right through their window.
I heard a big explosion and then something falling, and then all 3 of my window panes blew in my face.
Scary moments there. Well, according to the New York City Fire Department, 12 people on the ground were hurt. That includes 3 firefighters. Officials say hydraulic fluid leaked, sparking flames in the engine of that crane.